Guys,
Yeah.
than Battle Fall Guys. Guess it's the best guy.
The best guy?
Yeah.
Best guy wins?
The best guy is the guy with the hammer hand.
What's his name?
I don't know. Oh, do you know this guy? A red guy?
Yeah.
And he's the best. And we can break their heads off in the game.
Oh.
And there's this
Their heads just
one-
pop off their bodies?
Yeah.
But then they're not alive then, right?
Yeah. But this one guy is so cool. It's the best guy ever. It must be this.
You should have a battle right now with your guys.
I don't have the robot game.
No, battle those guys. These two guys.
Well, I need the.
No, your two guys right there. Have them have a battle.
Well, I should have the. I should get the robot game on my Kindle.
Yeah.
Yeah, and buy it.
Oh, yeah?
It has a lot of money. It costs money.
It costs money?
Yeah.
Well, most things do.
It's the best game ever.
Yeah?
I never played it with those robots.
What's it called?
I don't know. Maybe it's called Gerbots.
Joba?
I don't know what it's called.